When you're working with a shared OneNote notebook, you can limit access to specific sections by adding a password. For example, in this shared notebook, I might not want everyone to be able to view budget or financial information, so I'll add a password. To set a password for a specific section in a notebook, simply move to the Section tab, right-click, and choose Password Protect this section. The password protection pane will open on the right side of the screen. Make note of the tips that are displayed here. For instance, if you want to search a password protected section, you would need to unlock it first. So let's set a password. These are very similar to other Microsoft applications. You want to keep in mind that the passwords are case sensitive, and it's helpful to use the same password throughout if you are protecting multiple sections. And definitely don't use a password you might have for other computer operations. And your IT group or help desk will not be able to unlock a section if you forget the password. However, this can still be a valuable feature. Enter the password, and once again, choose OK. You may be prompted about existing section backups. It's up to you to decide and review whether or not you want to delete any previous backups because those are not password protected. In this case, I will delete the existing backups. Once you apply a password, you might notice that the section still remains available for a while even when you apply a password. However, you can lock all password protected sections at any time. Couple options. In the dialog box is this Lock All, or press Ctrl-Alt-L. Now you can see how the section will display. To unlock, then you simply would click into the section or press Enter to unlock, and then type the appropriate password. We'll lock this again, Ctrl-Alt-L, and then we can navigate other sections. But for this one, it is password protected. So as a shared notebook, then only those people that know the password would be able to unlock it. Once you work with password protection, you may want to customize the behavior of this password option. To do that, we'll move to File Options. Select the Advanced tab and navigate further down to the section on Passwords. So here you can decide what happens when you're no longer working on that section. How much time do you want to have passed before it becomes password protected again? Maybe as soon as you navigate away from them, or you can change to a different increment of time. Once you've worked with a password in OneNote, explore these options to determine if you want to further customize how this behaves. At some point, we might want to remove the password. And to do that, first of all, let's unlock the section, and then repeat the same steps we used before. Right-click on the Section tab, Password Protect this section. That opens up the Password Protection dialog box, and here is Remove Password. Confirm your password once again, and you can close the dialog box, and the section is available to anyone who has access to this shared notebook. Working with passwords can make it easier to share key OneNote notebooks while protecting access to critical information. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft OneNote or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/OneNote. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.